To commemorate the 25th anniversary of the Hoveringam Vintage Vehicle Society Rally and Show, and some of the vehicles, I think there are 19 in all who were here for the original show, so there'll be a parade and a commentary from people who know more about tractors than myself, and you'll learn a little bit more about some of the exhibits. The exhibits, if you want to see them before they're on the move and before they're in the ring, are the 2 rows to the bottom of the main parade ring. The TR808 is the tractor right in the centre of that display, so make your way down and have a look at those if you're interested. I can see the Yates Engineering steam wagon is still in operation over on the far side of the field, so go and have a chat with David and the team about the workings of that and the restoration project that he undertook. And the dog show is continuing up in the main ring. Make your way up there and have a chat with Sue to see which class they're working through. And the tea and cake stand there if you want a hot drink in this slightly breezy weather. As soon as I mentioned the sun, it went back in. So I think we're on class 16 in the dog show now. The classes are on page 41 of your programme.